If your Honda shows P2195 code, and your engine runs rough or fuel consumption increases, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you what P2195 means, what causes it, and how to fix it step by step. P2195 means oxygen sensor signal stuck lean, bank 1 sensor 1. In simple words, the engine is getting too much air, not enough fuel, or the oxygen sensor is sending incorrect data to the ECU. When P2195 appears, you may notice these symptoms. Check engine light on. Roughly. Poor fuel economy. Loss of engine power. If you notice these signs, it's important to inspect the system quickly. The most common causes of P2195 are faulty oxygen sensor, vacuum leak, dirty MAF sensor, low fuel pressure, damaged wiring or connectors. In most cases, a faulty upstream oxygen sensor is the main cause. Now, let's go through the steps to fix P2195. Check the oxygen sensor wiring for damage, loose connections, or corrosion. Inspect vacuum hoses and intake pipes for cracks or leaks that allow extra air into the engine. If the MAF sensor is dirty, clean it using a proper MAF sensor cleaner. If everything looks fine, test the oxygen sensor. If it's faulty, replace bank 1 sensor 1, which is iodexanifold. The repair cost depends on the problem. Most commonly, rig sensor solves the issue and keeps the cost moderate. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Engine Clinic, and share this video with others. Comment below which engine code you want me to fix next on Engine Clinic.